Welcome to MWR Financial. Secure your financial future today. Manage your finances like a pro, without having to be one, with Financial Edge membership. Your personal team of financial experts, that use proven strategies to secure you and your family's financial future. One membership includes financial advice on demand, instant pay raise strategies, credit restoration strategies, debt elimination strategies, wealth generation strategies, and a whole lot more. No contracts, no setup fees, spouse included free. And best of all, MWR Financial experts do all the work. MONEYMAX. Unlimited access to professional financial planners and advisors. CREDITMAX. Improve your credit scores from 50 to 150 points on average. EQUITYMAX. Get out of debt in 1/3 to 1/2 of the time, and save thousands. WEALTHMAX. Exclusive access to the financial secrets of the wealthy. Take advantage of the most comprehensive financial service solution ever offered to the general public. Time is the most valuable assets you have. Once it's gone, you will never get it back. So, don't waste another minute. Become a member today.